This looks like an ordinary suburb. Kids laughing, coffee brewing, the daily grind. But look again. That sky, not blue. That breeze, not air. You're not on Earth anymore. You're standing on a hellish world that could crush you flat. Welcome to Venus. Venus may look like a golden pearl from space. But down here, it's absolute hell. The air is thick with carbon dioxide, 90 times more pressure than Earth. Step outside and your lungs collapse instantly. The temperature? 475 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to melt lead. And yes, hotter than Mercury, even though Venus is farther from the sun. Oh, and did we mention the rain? It's made of sulfuric acid. But don't worry, it evaporates before hitting the ground. We've sent over 40 missions here. Most lasted minutes, if they survived entry at all. Venus crushes metal, cooks electronics, and eats spacecraft for breakfast. This planet doesn't want visitors, but what if we didn't just visit? What if we tried to live here? Living on Venus's surface? Practically impossible. But about 50 kilometers up, the atmosphere is surprisingly Earth-like. Pressure and temperature are just right. Scientists propose floating cities, massive cloud-suspended habitats powered by solar energy, shielded from acid clouds. Advanced pressure suits would allow exploration outside, while materials resistant to acid and heat protect infrastructure. Compared to the hellish surface, these aerostats offer a tantalizing chance for human habitation. And the best part? No heavy spacesuits, just light gear and a view that's literally out of this world. Though decades away, the dream of living among the clouds of Venus challenges what we think possible. Maybe the future of exploration isn't on harsh surfaces, but floating above them, riding alien skies. Venus is a planet of extremes. Surface temperatures reach a blistering 465 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. The atmospheric pressure is crushing, over 90 times greater than Earth's, enough to crush a human body like a tin can. Thick clouds of sulfuric acid rain down, corroding everything and poisoning the air we breathe. The atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide, with deadly sulfur compounds making it toxic beyond imagination. While winds whip furiously in the upper clouds, the surface is eerily still, sealed in a suffocating hellscape. Every spacecraft sent to Venus's surface has succumbed to the relentless heat and pressure, failing within hours. Even our most advanced suits and rovers face a brutal battle against corrosion, overheating, and destruction. Venus's deadly environment is a stark reminder. This planet is one of the harshest places in the solar system. Though Venus's surface is deadly, the upper atmosphere offers a surprising haven, where temperatures and pressures are more Earth-like. Scientists envision floating cities suspended in the clouds, buoyed by breathable air and bathed in sunlight. Solar-powered drones and robotic explorers could study Venus's atmosphere for extended periods, sending back vital data. Advanced spacesuits with cooling and acid-resistant materials would protect any human visitors braving the harsh environment. Some even dream of terraforming Venus, modifying its atmosphere to one day support life on the surface. Rovers floating in the upper atmosphere could collect samples and explore regions unreachable by ground probes. Back on Earth, scientists work tirelessly, analyzing data and preparing for humanity's next giant leap. Oh, but let's be honest, taking a shower on Venus might be the hottest challenge of all. Oh, Venus's surface is a brutal environment, with pressures crushing like being 900 meters underwater on Earth. Its clouds rain sulfuric acid, a corrosive nightmare for any exposed material. Surface temperatures soar to nearly 460 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead and roast a Thanksgiving turkey forever. Even the most advanced spacesuits would struggle to keep humans cool and alive. Fierce storms and gale force winds buffet any floating habitats in the upper atmosphere. Communication delays between Earth and Venus, up to 16 minutes round trip, make real-time control impossible. And yes, astronauts would be sweating buckets inside those suits, quite literally. Venus is a harsh mistress, demanding respect and cutting no corners for any who dare to call it home. While Venus may seem inhospitable today, visionaries dream of floating cities drifting gently in its upper atmosphere. Scientists are already designing habitats and drones to harvest resources from its clouds, turning science fiction into science fact. Futuristic spacecraft could one day deliver humans safely to these airborne colonies, pioneering a new era of exploration. Robotic miners might extract vital chemicals, fueling continued research and settlement efforts. Imagine astronauts exploring above the glowing clouds, experiencing a world both alien and strangely beautiful. And of course, there'll be celebrations, planting flags and cheering for humanity's next giant leap. Back on Earth, scientists will watch with pride as these missions push the boundaries of what's possible. Venus reminds us that even the harshest worlds can become homes if we dare to dream and innovate.